So you are wondering how to create an original sound on TikTok on your iPhone or Android? It's super easy, let me walk you through the process. First open TikTok and tap the plus icon at the bottom. Then select Gallery and pick the video with the sound you want to use. After that, tap Next and hit Post. Wait for the upload to finish completely. Once your video is uploaded, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom. Next, tap the round sound icon in the bottom right corner. Finally, tap Use Sound on the new page. Now you can create new videos or add photos with your original sound. The process is exactly same on your Android device. And that's it. That's how you can easily make an original sound on TikTok. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.